Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Mi 10, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store and download the application to transfer data. And I recommend you to get the Clone It, because this application is very simple to use and totally free. And right now we are waiting. And that's it. Really fast. So open on your Mi 10, click allow once, allow again, and open it also on your Huawei. Oh, sorry, it's my Huawei P40, but on your Android device. Tap on the yes, I agree. And right now, click on your Mi 10 receiver. Click on the allow all the time. Tap on the set, turn on the location. Right now, go back and tap on the receiver again. And tap on the sender in your Android smartphone, and also right here you can turn on the location and click sender again. And right now tap on the search again, and our smartphones are looking for each other's. And here it is. Tap on this Android Share 7210 icon, and we have two ways to connect. The first one is by scanning the QR code, but also we can input the password manually if you have any problems with your camera in your phone. So let's tap and scan the QR code. Okay. Accept the request on your Android phone. And if you want to take everything from this smartphone, you have to select all of these icons. But there is only example. So right now I have to go right here for the details, and I will pick probably only few things like the music, Post Malone Circles, and League of Legends Rise, and it will be everything. Sorry, let's select again, click on the start, okay, and it's finished. That's how it looks, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to our channel.